Hi, in this video, we look at how to draw a glass effect behind views in SwiftUI and visionOS. In visionOS, you can fill a view's background with a glass material. You can do this by specifying a shape like a rectangle and also display modes. We have three display modes such as always, implicit, and never. We will look at each one of them in this video. In this example, you can see the icons on the bottom ornament have this glass background effect. So if I move the screen around, you see the background, which is the environment, through the bottom ornament. When you add the glass background effect to a view, it also adds thickness, glass blur, shadows, and other effects like highlighting. In this example, the icons on the bottom ornament, as well as those on the top ornament, have the background effect applied. So let's look at those icons on the left side of the screen. Let's apply the glass background material to these four icons. I'm making a drawing app, so I want to use these icons for modifying the things you draw on the canvas. So we have the X mark to clear anything you draw on the canvas. Then we have undo, redo, and the eraser tool. These four icons are contained in this VStack. So let's minimize the code. So these are all the four buttons. To make sure the glass background effect you apply works correctly, you need to apply that to a collection of views instead of individual views. So here, instead of applying a glass background effect to the individual buttons, we need to apply it to the container instead, which is the VStack. So here, let's add the glass background effect modifier. Without specifying any parameter, you can see it added this beautiful background effect to the views. What we can also do is to specify a display mode. If I put a period, you can see we have three display modes. Always, that will always fill the view's background with the glass effect. Then we have implicit. The implicit option only works when the view you are applying the glass effect to does not already have a glass material applied. The last option is never. This means do not show the glass material at all. So let's select always. Setting the display mode to always is also the same as removing the parameter completely. Next, we can also specify the shape we want to use as the background material. So here we have to specify the in parameter. With that, we can also specify the display mode as well. Let's only use the in parameter. Now we need to specify an insertable shape. For example, a rounded rectangle. Let's select the one that has corner radius and set the corner radius to, for example, 35 or even something like 16. You can also use other SwiftUI shapes as well, but let's leave it as rounded rectangle. And as I said before, if you like, you can also add the display mode parameter and set it to, for example, always, implicit, or never. And this ends our tutorial on adding a glass background effect behind views in visionOS and SwiftUI. Thanks for watching this video.